Yeah. This is BRUCE, Bruce the Champ. And this is my channel, YouTube channel. And I talk what I want. So if there is anybody here with a different view or whatever, you want to debate me, you are welcome to debate me. I am on all social networks as Bruce the Champ. Now, what am I talking about today? I'm talking about Nigerians. Yes, you heard me correctly. Nigerians. I'm talking about the Niger sisters and the Niger brothers all over the world. There is a syndrome, not only even in South Africa or Africa, but it's a syndrome which is all over the world. Whenever people they hear the word Nigerians, they associate them with prostitution, associate them with 419 scams, they associate them with drugs, they associate them with all bad things, corruption. Okay, I'm not saying that there are no Nigerians who are doing these things. They are. But as for me, I chose the right thing. And right now I'm choosing the positive thing about Nigerians. Talking from my experience, how did I work with them, how I was living with them, I learned a lot, and these people, they taught me a whole lot of things in my life. Life-changing moments, what I'm talking about. So every time I hear Nigerians, I'm thinking of business, rather than your drugs and 419 scams and everything. These people, if you can check right now, in the whole of Africa, or if it's not the world, let's be honest, there are no people like Nigerians who have this seed as entrepreneurs. I don't know what God or how God created them. There's something special about them. They don't want to work for other people. They always want to create jobs. They want to create and they want to work for themselves. This is something I have learned. They are not like your job types. You understand my point? And they don't even have this tendency, especially like South Africans, that they depend so much in government. No, they want to do their own things. In South Africa, you find somebody's like, you have been waiting for government to give you RDP house for 20 years. What the hell were you doing for all these 20 years for yourself? Just waiting for government. So Nigerians, I've learned this from them. They don't do that. They go and grind, they hustle, they slay. Whatever they are doing, it doesn't matter, even if it's music, if it's acting, if it's whatever. Hair salons, check all around our streets. Go to town, go wherever you want to do. It's them. They are dominating everywhere. Why are they dominating? They are not lazy. So let's learn something. My African brothers, all over the world, all those white people, Asian or whatever, I want to say to you that let's learn something positive from Nigerians rather than to always criticize them. Let's pick something positive. What these people they do. Check the music industry. There are a lot of even people who are acting, who are musicians, celebrities. You don't even know that they are Nigerians. They're even in America, without even talking about the Nollywood or even, the obvious ones. We are knowing that they are doing Nigerian music. They are topping everywhere. Guys, these people, they are something else. I'm just praying to God that if it was possible, that God, even if they die, they must even just go there in heaven and start something, Nigerian club or something like that, to teach people. So all I'm saying that let's be positive, guys, about them. Nigerians, I love them. My Nigerian sisters and brothers, how far now? Abi Wahala.